So, we traveled thousands of kilometers from Moncton to Edmonton in Alberta, just so the guys could show you how to clean the grill. Warning, only professionals do this.
So guys, you need to one Filipino guy and Indonesian guy to do this first. So that's the step one. Then the Filipino guy will just hold the water, and the Indonesian guy will do the rest.
The scrubbing, yeah.
Oh, you need 3 persons. One is like cameraman, Filipino guy as well. So you need 3 people.
Then put it up, just spray it with water.
Follow for more.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah.
You want to take a bath here or what?
Don't scrub too much. You're getting rid of the nutrients.
Yeah.
The umami.
Later, ingredients if you want to play and more, right? And after that, then the things what we need to we prep.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa theme park nila. Sumakay kami dyan sa ride na yan, no? Yan. Saka dun sa umiikot na yon, grabe. Ayan, no? Grabe yan. Parang yan yung pinaka-extreme. Well, nakita ni Elem ang kanyang first love. Dance Revo. Ngayon namimili na siya ng songs. It's okay, it's okay. Mal. Hingal. Maganda exercise, no?
Oh yeah. Hingal machine.
Ride na yan, guys. So, ayan, sumakay kami dyan. Naikot pa. Wala! Grabe. That
Yeah.
is a board game. Sorry is a board game. This is a human size. Sorry board game.
ilalim para na
Kayo,
hindi ko siya hawak eh.
yung sa cellphone mo.
Ay, hindi pwede yun. Shots. Yan, taas ko nga ito. Hindi naka-extend. Parang ganyan. Where are the kids? Sir, baba ako siya.
Many toys later.
Lewat kesini nih tetap. Takutan. Oh enggak, udah selesai. Yang ini yang kecil kayaknya. Yang ini yang kamu bisa naik. You guys good? It's your birthday. Shout as loud as you can.
Enjoy! I will help you guys to shouting. Okay?
Puter ini.
Anjing, itu di atas di bawah dipotong panting gua kasih tau lu kan. Kocok-kocok lu lihat tinta. Gua ajarin. Bener tuh kayaknya nih bikin ayam obat terus sih bagi dia orang kayak.
Let's go.
The next day.
Welcome to Vans! Malikabok lang dito. Malikabok.
Ayaw, bro.
So, police overspeeding daw yung nandun sa left.
Ah, yeah. It's the Fast and the Furious, guys. It's a great, great feeling, great entrepreneur. I love you. Sorry, Mom. Savor your every moment. Yes.
Oh, mountain is more beautiful. The North Mountain is more beautiful. It's nothing compared to mountain view. Mountain's better.
Chocolate River.
Riverfront looks better than this.
This is like the ones with the Marlboro commercial.
You see the real Marlboro commercial.
Alam kaya nila yung kantang yan?
Yeah,
tomorrow commercial. I think when I was like kindergarten or like primary school.
Oh my goodness, ito bird.
Sabihin mo, kantahan mo.
It's a great, great feeling. Great total feeling.
Ganun din kaya yung kanila. Siguro, no? Parang international yun eh.
More international cigarette.
Mountain.
Home for Joe. Are you still good?
God.
Tired already? Tired na yan. Para sa mga bear, tawiran na yan.
Totoo?
Wildlife, yeah. Mga wildlife, dyan tatawid. Sana dyan tumawid nga. Wildlife overpass nakalagay. So yeah. Oh, ganda. Rock! Ano siya nag-zoom ba?
Wow! Wow! Beautiful! Maybe on our way home.
Grabe renta dito. I could imagine.
Or maybe one of those.
I don't know. Maybe home? Parang siyang, hindi? Parang hotel? Or, theater?
Hmm.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so it's a nice view on top of the gondola. So tomorrow, bukas, pupunta ko kami doon. Summer po doon. Napakaganda po ng view. It is. Oh my God, so high. Ganda ng view. Siyam po. Doon kami sa baba kanina po. Sa pinakababa po doon. Hindi na po mai-zoom but napakaganda po. So this is the gondola. And then, lumusot lang po ako para makuha ko sa amin. Para makuha yung video. Ganda ng view. This is like the observation deck. Really nice. Ganda po ng view sa baba. Yun po. Nandun po kami kanina. Siguro mga 15 minutes ago. So it's a relaxing view. Ganda po ng view. Yan po, puro mga ano po sa buong paligid. Ganda po ng view. Canada. Alberta. Yan. Nihintay na lang po nila ako sa baba pero papunta po ako ng observation deck sa pinakataas para po sa purpose ng vlog na ito. So yun po. Ganda po. Buong mountain ranges po yan. I'll take another view. Floor up and then we'll see. So this is the top viewing deck. Ganda po. Ganda po ng view. Ito po sa pinakataas. Oh, God. Look at this. 360 view. But this is just my phone camera, so bear with the noise. Very nice. Ganda po. Ang linaw po. Nakichini po kasi yung 360 camera, but it's really nice. Yan po. Really nice po. Welcome to Banff. Ayan po mga fireplace dito. Hindi ko lang po ma-videoan kasi may mga tao po baka paano po sila. Really nice po. Tahimik po ng paligid. Ito po yung flag po ni Canada. There you go. Ito po. Siya, ganda po niya. Napakaganda po ni Canada. Napakaganda. I'll try my best to get a good shot. Ang ganda. Wala ka masabi sa ganda. Yeah. Pakataas po. Ito po yung gondola system po nila. Yung binaba po namin kanina, sobrang tarik ko talaga. Tas sobrang baba po ano itong tarik. Grabe po. Maganda oh. Bali pag mga hindi na po mainit, may snow po yan. Ganda pa po na. Mga puno, mga mountain ranges po. Yan po, that's it. Yan na po siya. Then, yan po dahil hindi po masyado makapag-video. Short video lang po na ang sarili ko dito sa sakit po sa mata. Ayan po siya. Taas po. Napakatahimik po at napakataas.
Soon after.
This place is so nice. It's so nice. Ano to? Parang church. Pero hindi yan ang kanilang church.
Hindi nakalagay na.
Administration daw.
So, admin office siguro na na. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-edit ito kaya pinapakuha ko ng video. Sakali matagalan na ba? Ito. Hello po.
Hello!
Ganda. Yan po, andito po tayo sa Cascade of Time Gardens. Ito yung selfie tayo kung mamaya pagkaan.
Sila ba yan? tuwan-tuwa sa kanyang camera. Ilublob mo, mahal. Waterproof ba yan?
Very nice.
Okay.
Ganda po dito. Oh, nice. Halamanan po ng ano, Garden of Eden. There's the kids. Ah, anda sila oh.
Yeah, the kids.
Ganda po talaga.
Nice yan naman.
Ganda pa.
Hanggang anong oras kaya tayo dito, no?
Ito yung kanina pinicture. Bye-bye, Panta!
Power on. 4,